Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Maps and signing into the account you'll share from. This ensures saved places and permissions align. Make sure device location and background location access are enabled in system settings so live sharing works continuously. Once done, tap your profile picture, select Location Sharing, and then choose Share Location. You're beginning the live share flow. This step connects app permissions with account context, so the next choices apply correctly and immediately. Choose who sees your live location. Pick a contact or generate a shareable link for broader access. You can set a fixed time, like 1 hour, or choose until you turn this off for indefinite sharing. This controls privacy and battery use. Then customize options, add a short message so recipients know why, and check accuracy settings if available to balance precision versus power consumption. Make sure to confirm the contact or copy the link before exiting the dialog. Finish by tapping Stop in location sharing when you want to end the broadcast. This immediately revokes access. If recipients report no movement, make sure your device has a stable internet connection and background location is allowed, because both are required to update live coordinates. If problems persist, restart Google Maps or toggle location off and on to reset the GPS fix. This often clears stale cached positions and restores accurate live updates quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.